That white stuff in your walls could be slowly killing you. Here's how to find out. Asbestos was once used in thousands of building materials. You might find asbestos in insulation, floor tiles, ceiling tiles, roofing, and even old pipe wraps. It's not always obvious, so a professional eye is crucial before we understood its dangers. Breathing in asbestos fibers can cause serious diseases like lung cancer, asbestosis, and mesothelioma. That's why testing is so important. If your home was built before the 1980s, you might be living with this silent health hazard. A common myth is that only old, crumbling buildings have asbestos. In reality, even well-maintained homes built before the 1980s could contain it. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how professional asbestos testing works. During an inspection, the professional will wear protective gear and may ask you to leave the area to prevent exposure. The process starts with visual inspection. A certified professional examines suspicious materials in your home. They'll look for signs like damaged insulation, discolored ceiling tiles, or unusual textures on walls and pipes. Next comes careful sampling. Sampling is done very carefully to avoid releasing fibers. The area is often misted with water and sealed off with plastic sheeting. Using specialized tools and safety protocols, they'll take small samples without releasing dangerous fibers. In the lab, experts use polarized light microscopy to identify asbestos fibers. This process is highly accurate and regulated. These samples are sent to an accredited laboratory where they're analyzed under powerful microscopes. If asbestos is detected, don't panic. Many times it can be safely managed without removal, especially if it's in good condition. Results typically come back within days. In some states, you are legally required to disclose asbestos if you sell your home. Testing now can save headaches later. If asbestos is found, you'll receive recommendations for encapsulation or removal. Professional removal teams use negative air machines and sealed containers to keep your family safe during abatement, based on the condition and location. Don't take chances with your health. Thousands of families have gained peace of mind by getting their homes tested. It's a simple step that protects your loved ones. Visit mdmoldtesting.com and mention this video for a $25 discount on your first inspection. Booking with mdmoldtesting.com is easy. Just call or visit the website and a certified inspector will handle the rest. Like and subscribe for more home safety tips and check out our mold testing video below. Remember, early detection is key. Mention this video for your $25 discount and stay safe. Click below for more helpful videos.